India needs more entrepreneurs and managers. This is the theme of the fifth youth talk show on Weaving Dreams, which would be streamed live on YouTube channel of Weaving Dreams. And we are going to organize this on 2nd of December 2020. We invite the students to come and join and deliberate on the theme India needs more entrepreneurs and managers. For every company or firm, both are very important because they both play a vital role to make any organization a big success. Entrepreneurs are the one who conceive the idea of doing a business, collect all the resources, and then make the business start working. At the same time, all these resources are land, labor, and capital. Yes, capital, the money, labor, the people who join the business, people who are given the employment opportunities by the entrepreneur, people which include managers. But again, can any businessman, can any entrepreneur be successful without the manager? Now, for the growth of a country, the entrepreneurs be in large number. Why? Because India's population is quite large. To manage this, entrepreneurs should be larger than the manager. Manager plays a role for the growth of the company, wherein the entrepreneurs play the role in the growth of the country. India is not short of human resources, but the ones who provide jobs to these human resources is quite less. Therefore, we should have more entrepreneurs. Another thing, India is a developing country and many of the products are imported because the boundaries of our country are open. Now, we need to have more of entrepreneurs who can bring new ideas into business so that we can give a good competition to the imported products here and we can sell the products to the other countries and have the revenues from there. Another point to be added, in our country, the resources are available in abundance. Now, these entrepreneurs or the businessmen are required to exploit those resources to get the country going, to make it a developed country. So, we require more of entrepreneurs or managers. Therefore, we invite the young students to come and join us to deliberate on this theme. Entrepreneurs are also required to fill the gap. They manufacture the product and they further sell it to the consumers. Therefore, they fill the gap between the demand of the product and manufacturing. Now, one more thing I would like to add is a manager has to manage the organization, but he has his own boundaries. The boundaries set up by the entrepreneurs. But at the same time, the entrepreneurs have the boundaries set up by the government of a country. Now, another thing I would like to add here, our government is all the time talking about stand up India, startup India, and make in India. Now, all these things cannot be possible without entrepreneurs. India needs more of entrepreneurs and the managers because they have their own imagination, they have their own ideas, and as I said in the beginning, they are willing to take the risk to achieve those goals and those targets. At the same time, they also know when to take what decision because they have invested a huge lot in the business. These are the qualities which are required by any country to develop. Now, are these qualities possessed by managers? Yes. Are these qualities possessed by entrepreneurs? Yes. Then India needs more of entrepreneurs or managers. We invite you to deliberate on this point. Starting from a very small school to a big public sector enterprise, there are plenty of jobs. And who creates them? Entrepreneurs. It's also correct that managers, unlike the entrepreneurs, are more concerned towards the service satisfaction. This is what certain people say. They may not be doing it merely for monetary need, but then at the same time, is it also true that they have less of belongingness to the organization more than the entrepreneurs? Are the entrepreneurs more dedicated towards their work or the managers? Entrepreneurs are expert in risk management. They dare to try new technologies. But after all, at the end of the day, who are actually going to work on those new technologies? The managers and their team. So, this is exactly the topic, the theme of our virtual youth talks on Weaving Dreams. We invite you to come and share your thoughts and viewpoints on this. We are organizing this on 2nd of December 2020. This would be the 5th virtual youth talks on Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.